Hi, NCVPS instructors. In this tech tip, we're going to go over one of the hidden gems of Google Drive, and that is the function called Google Drawings. And to access that, you'll go to your main Google Drive page. We will click New, and you want to go down and choose More, and then you will choose Google Drawings. Once you choose Google Drawings, you get this empty canvas that you can do lots of really cool themes with. And so one of the first things we can do is begin to draw shapes. And then, like most of our Google tools, it's going to work very similar. We can do different colors. Another thing that I really like is that you're able to take different objects and group them together. And so if I wanted to move my arrow in here, I could do that. And then if I wanted the rectangle and the arrow to be grouped together, I can click and hold my cursor and outline it, and everything I choose will be selected. Or if you have some trouble with that, you can click on the objects you want while you hold Shift. And then you'll notice they're both selected. And then we can go up here to Arrange, and we can choose Group. When we do that, that then merges the objects together as a group. And the nice thing is I can resize this and begin to have them as a group and move them around. If for some reason I need to ungroup it, I can go back to Arrange and choose to ungroup it as well. Another thing that I really love about this tool is the ability to bring in a picture and image. And so let's say we have an image from Pixabay. We will simply go up here to insert the image. We will choose where to upload the image from. And so in this case, this is an image I have saved on my computer. And then I'm going to go to where I have it saved and just pull in a recent image. And this is an image I'd gotten from Pixabay. And the cool thing is we have the ability with our image to go ahead and do some work in of the photo to make it more interesting. And so I will select the photo, and then I'm going to go here, and I can begin to apply essentially what I would call frames around it, to where I could take the image and do some manipulation of it using the Google Draw functions that are embedded. And so we can begin to see that this gives me the ability to manipulate some pictures and do some very interesting things that you may want to use with your students. And so as we do that, we can add other things in here. So if I was doing an announcement, I can come in here and type, "Great job, Aaron." And once I've done this, we can take our image and we have the ability to go into the file command window, and we can choose to download it as a PDF. We can do a JPEG, a PNG, or a SVG. Typically, if we're doing an image, we're going to do either a JPEG or PNG for announcements. And so if I wanted to have all this, I could download it as one image. And so I'll just say a JPEG. And then when it comes up, you can see that I have my whole image here. And so this can be really good for taking an image and manipulating it, creating something new. We would call that a mashup in some cases. Hopefully that will help and give you some new ideas with a great tool that has simply just been there the whole time. And I believe that we can really maximize its use to make some really great graphics for our courses and students.